Hey, my name is Heather Kimber, and most people actually call me the software nerd. And I just can't tell you how excited I am for you putting your email address in on the previous page to get free access to the coolest new software called PopLinks. And, a little while ago, I actually attended a private event in Las Vegas, and the founders of PopLinks, Perry Belcher and Chad Nicely, hosted this private event, and they taught us how to use PopLinks, and they also showed us the crazy income generating capabilities that this software has. So I'm going to play a video just after this of Chad and Perry talking about the software, and then you're going to see a link below. And actually, they're offering the recordings of that private event on that link below. So click through to that. It'll tell you all about the 3-day event that we attended and how you can get the recordings. But I'm super excited. But let me pass you off to Perry and Chad, and they're going to tell you a little bit about PopLinks. Also, take a look in your email because I'll be sending your login information, but I'll also be sending you a quick start guide, and it'll be a step-by-step document that will get you up and running in PopLinks. So make sure you look for my emails from the software nerd and open them up and follow through with those quick start documents. I'm super excited, and I will talk to you soon.
Listen, there's one big reason you're not making the money you deserve to make today. Hi, this is Perry Belcher here with my partner Chad Nicely, and imagine this. Imagine if you had unlimited amounts of websites. If you could build all the websites you wanted to build in the world, if you had 100 people like I do that build websites for me all the time, imagine what you would do if you could just build unlimited pages, if you could tailor those pages and those messages to the perfect audience at the perfect time with the perfect product. How much more successful would you be? You like fishing, right, Chad?
Absolutely love it.
So if you've ever been out on the pier fishing, or if you've ever been on the dock fishing, the person catching the most fish is always who?
Yeah, the guy that has the most poles out there.
Yeah, the most poles in the water.
Yep.
So right now there's a big challenge for people starting in this business because they have this huge technology hurdle just to get one website built. And when they're done with it, it may not be the right website. Here's the big secret nobody else wants to tell you. They're not being honest with you. Most websites don't make a lot of money. Even mine. I have over 300 web pages right now that are active on the web, and only about 12 of 300 of them make a lot of money. But here's the thing, all of them make some money. So imagine that you built pages that were just an absolute failure. Who believes they could fail? I think everybody believes they could fail. So imagine if you built pages only made $5 a day, that would be a pretty big failure, right? But what if you could build all of them you wanted? What if you had a piece of software, a robotic piece of software that would build you as many of these pages as you wanted, actually faster than my team of 100 people can do it? Well, that's exactly what we've done with a brand new software that Chad's developed. Chad's the genius software developer here, and I'm just the guy with a big mouth who talks a lot, right? But you notice how quickly he agreed with me. This new software builds over 250 landing pages in just a matter of about 60 seconds. And all you have to do it is be able to type 3 lines of text,
or
right?
they can copy it.
They could copy it, and we give you copy and paste text to work from. So you really just need to write 3 lines of copy in order to build all these pages. And the great thing is that once you build these pages, they build a full set of pages behind them that are congruent. The design, what it's called, the design cascades down to the other pages. They're not full funnels. We call them sets, right? We call them landing sets. So you got a landing page and usually a thank you page or just a bridge page that goes on to somewhere else. But these little sets are what you need 99% of the time, right? Old websites are dead, like the multi-page brochure type websites. Nobody reads them, nobody goes to them. They're just dead as fried chicken, right? Funnels are complicated and expensive, right? And in most cases, overkill. I don't fault funnel builders, and I don't fault selling with funnels. We do it all the time. But really, it's a quite complicated process, and you really don't need it 99% of the time. So the kind of people that need PopLinks are landing pages, landing pages are really the thing now, above and beyond any other form of web property. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely.
Because there's so much going on with social, right? You've got social groups, reels, videos, all sorts of stuff, Facebook groups. You just need a place to send these people anywhere to capture their information, build your list, and make them an offer, right? So who can use software like this that builds 250 landing pages in just a couple of seconds?
Well, affiliates, people out there cranking out YouTube videos, coaches, authors, consultants. Man, agencies, the list goes on and on.
I'll show you for affiliates. We want you to watch all the demo videos below. There's a bunch of demo videos below that show the use cases of the software. So one is affiliates, right? And I even show you how to borrow somebody else's YouTube videos to use to sell your product. So imagine if you could have Warren Buffett promoting your financial product, or if you could have Tony Robbins promoting your personal development product, or if you could have me promoting your marketing product. Right? That's all within your grasp. It's right there, and I'll show you a simple strategy to use it. Coaches, consultants, advisors, all you really need is a very, very simple set of pages that get people to book a call, right? To become a coach consultant. Agencies, this is a big one. You know, every agency owner I know is worked to death. They're overworked. They make money, but they're overworked. Well, imagine if you could cut your workload down by 90%, right? 90%. Imagine how much more money you'd make. You can even build pages and give them away for free to new clients as your way in the door. I call that like the ultimate, it's like the ultimate agency tripwire, right?
Email too.
You get email. And you get all the emails as you're doing this. You're going to get those leads. But anybody selling anything on a platform, like pre-sale pages are real important. If you're selling on Amazon, Etsy, ClickBank, JVZoo, pre-sale pages, and Chad will teach you all that inside our affiliate accelerator program that you get along with the software. But you'll learn how to just build these pre-landing pages that go over to sell your products or anyone else's products on any of these pages. And like Chad said a minute ago, you have the ability to build a list, build Facebook group followers, register people for webinars, set up one-on-one calls. Everything you need to do, 99.9% of what you need to do online can be done with this little bitty, cool little app that builds all these pages, 250 pages in 60 seconds. You might say, well, why do I need 250 pages? Well, you don't necessarily, but it gives you choices. Imagine that your designer gave you 250 options every time they made something for you. That's basically what this software does.
And they're proven, right? They're proven to convert the right colors, the designs. They can't.
The elements, everything.
Go wrong.
You can't mess it up.
Right.
And you know, when Chad and I came up with this process, he really came to me and said, look, everybody's in pain. All of my people are in pain. They can't build pages. They can't get online because the technology hurdle is too high. I saw the same thing. I'm the face of ClickBank. So I talked to all the new affiliates at ClickBank. They all have the exact same problem. What we set out to do was build a solution that was really three things. Number one, it had to be fast. It had to be fast for you guys to build the pages, and the pages had to load fast, right? So these pages load super, super fast like a rocket, usually in under 1 second. They're loading in nanoseconds and score an A score for speed and mobile optimization. Number two, it had to be easy. If you don't believe PopLinks is easy, just watch the video below of 9-year-old boy building his first site. It took him about 3 minutes to build his first pages, set of pages, not one page, but set of pages in about 3 minutes. And here's the craziness. You could actually have done that on your phone. Right? So you can do everything you need to do in PopLinks on your phone. If you don't even have a computer, you can build pages on your phone. Super, super, super fast and easy.
I'll do a demo. I got a demo.
And see your stats on your phone and do all your reporting on your phone. Do the whole process by phone. And three, we knew the pages had to be beautiful. We had to have that Web 2.0 slick, big font, big gradient look. So patterns. You have the ability to do all that without having any design skills at all, because it just goes and applies all those to the pages, and you can see which ones you like and which ones you don't. So, you know, the last thing, Chad, let's talk about what's in the suite. So they don't just get PopLinks. Why don't you tell them about what else is in the suite?
Right. Well, the pages are actually Pop pages, but then PopLinks is actually our link tracking system. So you get the landing page builder and you get the link tracking system. And let me kind of explain that a little bit, right? If you're dealing with affiliate links or any kind of link that's a mile long, you're able to take your own domain, have it personally branded, and we're able to track the clicks, we're able to track where it's coming in from around the world. So you look at the quality, is it mobile? You'll see all of that inside of PopLinks. And then the last tool is our page snippets.
The snipper tool. Right. So the snipper tool, I begged Chad to put in. Right. The snipper tool is a really cool little tool that allows you to put an overlay on any content on the web. So for instance, let's say that you're selling a financial product. You could grab a page from the Wall Street Journal, send people to that page via the link shortener. But when they get to that page, you'll be able to serve your ads, your pop-ups, your things on right over the top of that page. So you don't even need content anymore. So this suite eliminates your need for content. It eliminates your need for a pitch person because you can use YouTube. It eliminates your need for technical people. It eliminates your need for a graphic designer. It eliminates your need for a copywriter. All those things are done for you within the PopLinks platform. Just 1, 2, 3, it's so freaking easy.
Yeah.
And lastly, I'm gonna add in, I've got pretty big at email deliverability lately. So once you building that list, you wanna make sure you can deliver emails to them. So I'm gonna go on and give you my course on inboxing that usually sells for $500. We're gonna add that in. So once you get leads, you'll know exactly how to email them and get the highest level of deliverability. So that's kind of what we're talking about today, but you won't really appreciate it until you go below and watch all the demos. There's demos for different things you can do. And we're creating another 1 or 2 ways to use this software almost every day. So we'll keep adding more and more demos of how to use PopLinks in very creative and different ways. But watch the demos below right now. We absolutely guarantee the product. If you decide you want to join us, you have a 100% money back guarantee within the first 30 days. If you don't like it, if you don't like the sound of our voice, if you think it's ugly, just let us know and we'll give you your money back. 2, this is the big thing. You get a giant community to work inside with Chad as an affiliate, as a starting marketer. Chad has the most patience in the world of working with people who are starting to get them over the hump and get you to that first $1,000, that first $10,000 a month. And lastly, you'll get lifetime updates to the software. It's really cool. We are going to only do this lifetime license. So right now, if you go below, you're gonna get the software for life, right, for one flat fee. Immediately after this launch, that fee goes to a recurring billing. So it's gonna be a SaaS piece of software once the launch is over. So within this first 30 days, you're gonna get it for just one low price forever. That's way less than what it's going to cost you a year, you know, in the future. So this is your opportunity to get in now. I would not snooze. I think you'll realize once you're in it, using it and see it, even watching the demos, that if you're serious about being in this business right now, you can't really be in the business without it. I mean, everything's going to take you 7 more steps. It's going to be way harder. It's going to be way uglier. It's going to be, you know, we've made it to where it's really hard to screw it up, right?
Yeah,
we really have.
It's perfect for newbies.
Yeah, and if you go look in the group or anything and see the people who are already using it in the beta group, they're producing results like pro marketers. These are people who started a week ago. It's amazing. I saw this morning a post where a guy's getting 38% opt-in, 63% click-through rate, just insane numbers that most really heavy, serious marketers would kill to get those kind of numbers.
Yeah.
And they've been doing this for a very short period of time. So please go below right now, watch all the videos. If you think it's for you, click below and get in now before it goes off the market for this lifetime deal. Plus you get all the bonuses, you get everything else that's listed below right now. That will end at the end of the launch. I promise you, we will never, because I will choke him and make him die if he ever sells this with a lifetime license again. I was against this from the very beginning. I think it's a crazy thing to give you guys lifetime to this, because I think we could have billed you for a really long time, made a whole lot more money, but it's okay. Chad's a nice guy. I'm just the old capitalist pig guy that wants to make a lot of money, and I can't hardly concentrate right now because Chad has this one gray whisker coming out of his beard here.
That happened ever since I started working.
You can't not look at it. I'm just staring at it like this, and I'm thinking, how long is that thing gonna get before he clips it off with a pair of scissors?
You know, when you live in a glass house,
you
shouldn't be throwing
all of mine are gray. Can you find my one gray whisker? Yeah, right. All right. Thank you all so much. Please go below right now. Watch all the demo videos. I think you're gonna love PopLinks. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to us.